All right, just going to give a short update. If you arm your quad and out of the 4 motors, 1 or 2 is refusing to spin, then this video is made for you because I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. Before we begin, let's just see if we can replicate the issue. So let's plug in the LiPo and we're going to arm it to see if one of the motors is refusing to spin. Okay, so you can see that this one is switching. Okay, so now it's spinning, but it's not the right way. All right, so let's go to our computer. I'm going to teach you how to get this problem resolved. At the computer, you're going to plug in your quad with a USB cable to the computer, and then you're going to plug in a LiPo to power on your ESC. And then we're going to go to a web page that is called escconfigurator.com. You can use Edge or Google Chrome, either way it's fine, but just know this is web-based, so it's going to be very simple. And then let me refresh it. Okay, so once you have the correct port, you are going to hit connect. So after you connect, with the battery plugged in, you're going to hit read settings. Once you have read the settings, this is what you're going to see right here. And the problem here is we're going to adjust the common parameters, and this is the minimum startup power, which is the main reason why when you arm your quad, the motors are not getting enough power. So we're going to adjust this to a higher level. Let's do 1100. Okay, and you are going to hit write setting right here to save it. And after it's done, just disconnect. It will repower on, and basically the startup power has been adjusted. So you can unplug, and we're going to go back to the bench to give it a quick test. All right, so back to the bench, and what we're going to do is we're going to plug our LiPo in, and we're going to test it 3 times to see if it actually works. Let me flip the arm switch. Okay, so test 1. Let's unplug again. Okay.
Telemetry lost.
Plug in again.
Telemetry recovered.
All right, arm. All right, it works. Okay, let me flip it around, pretend it crashed, and then let's flip it again. All right, so I guess our problem has been fixed. All right, so I guess this wraps us up this video, and if you have additional questions or comments, please help me leave it at the comments section. And if you can, please help me subscribe and like my video so YouTube is going to like me a little bit more. And yeah, I will see you in the next tutorial video. Bye.